Did you know you can lose your driver's license in South Africa just by stacking up 15 demerit points? And trust me, it adds up quicker than you think. Here's how it works. Under auto, speeding can cost you points. Running a red light, more points. Using your phone while driving, driving without a license, drunk driving, every offense counts. Auto enforcement goes nationwide from 1 July 2026, and the demerit point system kicks in from September 2026. From that point on, every paid infringement or enforcement order can load points to your name. Hit 15 points and your license gets suspended. Keep repeating the cycle and you can lose it completely. This isn't about scaring motorists, it's about knowing what you're dealing with. Stay informed, watch your points, and don't ignore notices, because under auto, small mistakes can cost you big. Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.